3.
Ready and go.
See a bad bitch, see me looking like Kylie, blue eyes and green tea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kylie if you're new here, and I'm here with my brother Caleb and my
Hi.
stepsis Taylor.
Hey.
And right now we're in Mexico, so we're going to be doing a mukbang of Mexican snacks. So
Let's get in. So, the first thing we got is some deliciosas. No clue what they are. They're like pink and yellow,
yeah,
like half and half kind of.
yeah, they're just like little cookies, I guess.
They have like icing on them. It's like a cracker on
I'm
this side
scared.
and icing on this side.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mmm. This is so good.
Lemon?
I don't really know.
I don't really like it, but
I actually really like
it's
this.
really sweet
Mmm.
and like mine tastes like strawberry. I guess because it's pink.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give these a 6.
I'm gonna give them a 5.
Yeah, I'd say like 4.5, 5.
Okay, I'm gonna say 5. Okay, so I got these. It's Principe. I don't know. I think it's lime flavored filling cookies.
It's like it's like lime cookies, literally.
Yeah.
I'm not really excited for it. Actually, kind of.
Oh, it smells like cleaning supplies.
Ooh, I think I'm gonna like these.
Okay, 1,
If
2,
it tastes like-
3.
Not bad.
They're kinda
Actually,
good.
yeah. I think I like these.
Not that bad.
Yeah.
They're kind of.
They're
sweet.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, 1 out of 10. 7.
I was gonna say 7.
What do you think?
6.
Okay.
Not bad. Not great.
Yeah.
Yoy! Coffee break.
I got Mas salsa verde chips.
Ooh, these do smell spicy. Okay.
Ah!
Okay.
These are gonna be good, I think.
Ready? 1,
Yeah.
2.
Nice crunch.
Mmm.
Oh yeah.
I like
these.
It literally tastes like you dip the chip in salsa. 9.
9, maybe 10.
Yeah.
9.
10.
Yeah.
I was not gonna lose 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are just Tostitos.
Let me get another.
Mmm.
Okay. These things are Duvalin or something. B sabor. And they might have to be refrigerated, but we're not really sure. And we didn't refrigerate them, so
I thought we did.
well, they don't feel cold.
No, they weren't refrigerated.
Great.
Yeah.
What? This looks way bigger on the back.
Wait, there's like little. Hold on. Oh, look, there's little spoons in here. Oh.
my God,
I'm actually scared for this one.
Ew,
Not
I
gonna
don't
lie.
think this is gonna be good at all.
I know.
Okay, it just tastes like or smells like icing.
Yeah.
Ew, I don't even like icing.
Okay.
Yeah, it does smell like icing. That was... Nope.
Ew.
It's like pudding.
Gross.
Ew.
Maybe you're supposed to mix it up. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, this is literally a 1.
Yeah, 0.
I'd say like 3.
I hate it. I really do.
I think this might be good on like. Actually, I don't even know what it'd be good on. Okay. Next, we have Hey Taxo. I know I just butchered that name. They have Doritos, Cheetos, and Crujitos. There's popcorn in here too.
Oh, so it's like a mix.
Here, I'll try the same thing. There's,
Ew, I don't like puffs. Doritos Puffs. 1, 2, 3. It tastes good, but the texture is like a pork rind, and I hate them.
oh yeah. They
Have
also
you
have
ever had a
Cheetos
pork
Puffs
rind?
in here, but we've already had those, so yoy!
They look exactly like the Doritos, just twisted.
They probably taste exactly like them too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Crujitos.
I like the Dorito Puffs. I'll give the Dorito Puffs a 8,
Yeah, I mean,
and the Crujitos like a 5.
Yeah.
Burrito's like a 6.
6, yeah. Alright. These are mini burritos, and the flavor is pina colada.
They look like mini Fig Newtons, kind of,
Yes.
if you know what that is.
They smell like.
They're definitely harder than a Fig Newton, though.
Yeah. I don't even think I can finish it.
That is terrible.
It's a 0.
I feel like I bit it and it just crumbled into like a powder in my mouth.
Yeah. Nope.
A 0. A hard 0.
-8.
Okay.
Drink round.
Fine. And it's with pulp, so I don't know how good.
Oh, I hate pulp.
We all could drink from the
Pulpa.
same straw.
That's fine.
It's weird. Like it kind of tastes alcoholic-y, but it's not.
Oh yeah. I have no idea. It tastes like a flower.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
That
I
is
think
so rude. You hear this guy?
we're filming.
I say 3.
Yeah, 4 probably. 5.
I think 5.
Okay, so another one we got is Polola Chisquitazo. Spray candy.
Spray candy.
Uh-oh. It's so weird, like the concept of like spraying something in your mouth, you know?
Oh,
It's like-
I just unscrewed it. Blueberry flavored. What do you think? Is it supposed to be sour?
I hope so. Probably.
That's good.
Really?
Yeah. Oh my god!
Chill out, it's not a drink.
Oh my god, that was a mistake. Kind of wakes you
Okay.
up if you do that many.
Okay, I'd say like 8.
Yeah.
8, yeah.
8. A solid 8.
Yeah, a good 8. Alright, next we got some cranky chocolate. I don't really know.
They look
They
like
look like-
raisinets. You know?
Yeah, they
Or
do.
those like
Or
crunch
just
a bunch of
chocolate
things.
chips.
What in the world?
Mm,
I don't think I like it, but it's like not
It
bad.
kind
Whoa! I'm gonna bite like halfway.
it kind of tastes like those. Remember those like little
It's
ice cream?
wafers.
Yeah, remember those little ice cream things? They're called like dibs.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It tastes like those, but like in a bad way.
I think a
5.
like- It's like a
like a
wannabe
6.
good chocolate.
yes. It really wants to be up there, but it just can't compete.
It's too cranky.
It's
But
another drink that we got is Pina Fuel. I don't know. It's strawberry flavored.
Kenya.
I feel like it might taste just like Fanta. Strawberry Fanta.
Oh yeah, I like that a
I
lot.
think that's
It literally it is strawberry Fanta.
It's good.
yeah.
They took strawberry Fanta
I
and
don't
put pina fuel on it.
I think I'm gonna give it a 9. No,
I-
an 8.
Nah, I give it a 9. I
Okay.
like that a lot.
Probably I'd give it like a 7.
Last item.
Okay, I have Bimbo Rolls de Canela Glaciados.
Oh yeah, just your everyday.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, I think
they're
it's like a cinnamon roll kind of.
yeah, but maybe
Ooh,
like
those
raisin.
are good.
Ew, I hate
I don't
raisins
know.
in weird foods.
The icing looks like
Fake.
super,
Okay.
super fake. Fondant.
Shut up.
No.
That
That's
was so
bad.
bad.
Great.
It looks like Swiss cheese is on top of that.
Ew.
I'm just going for a bite.
Ugh.
it's not that bad. It's just like you don't want to chew it at all.
Yeah, once you start
Like-
chewing it, it's like the consistency is.
And I had high expectations for this one too.
Me too. I thought we were saving the best for last.
These are the best.
Yeah.
For
all
sure.
of us are saying it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Don't eat any of these Mexican foods if you come. They're not that good. And thanks for watching.
Now we gotta clean up. Dang it. Well, I guess we're just throwing